Hello guys, long time no see her. I apologize for my disappearance, but right now I have planned to come with a lot of programming language tutorial, especially focused on Java programming language. But I will also provide you some tips and tricks in the future. So if you wanna watch my tutorial series, don't forget to subscribe and also to like. So let's get started to develop a simple calculator in Java programming. We're gonna use NetBeans ID. So open NetBeans ID. So click Add Project, then Java Application. Click Next. Then here type calculator. Then if this is checked, uncheck that. Click Finish. So on calculator, right click, click New, click JFrame form. Then type here calculator tool, calculator, and the package name just tutorial. So click Finish. Here we get our frame here. So here we are going to need numbers and text to display them. So we're gonna need to add some bunch of buttons for numbers and text field to display them. So to add text field, just click on the text field here, then click here, resize it, resize them. You can just right click, edit text, and then click press backspace from the keyboard. Then add bunch of button here. Button resize. You can name by clicking on the button and press F2 from the keyboard and then type whatever you wanna type. 9. So copy this. Then click press Ctrl plus V or paste this. Then paste 9 of them and then adjust them. I'm gonna skip for adjustment and the pasting. So after just adjusting those buttons here, then rename it by edit text, or just click on the button and then press F2 to rename it. Dot these to 1, then continue to finish up to 9. Sorry, just start from 0 here, then this 1 fill up until 9. I'm gonna so plus minus multiplication. Okay, here we can set this x times small x, this fine. And then here let me add clear button to clear the text entered here. So design just like this. So when I click 9, they should write 9 on this text field. So let me rename this variable name, this text field variable name, as display. And then when I click 9, right click on it, then event this action perform it. When I go to design, when I click 9, it should write 9 into this text field. So double click on it or right click on event action perform it. So this dot display set text, this dot at the variable name of this, you can get it from here, jbutton1. So this dot jbutton1 dot get text. It will get the number written on that button. So this is how to this. Let me check first. run. So here, if I press 9, it will write 9, but not write again and again. So you can figure this out by adding some trick here. This dot display dot get text plus this. So you can get right now. Run it. So 9999, right? This okay. Scroll up this is NetBeans generated code. When I drag and drop those buttons, so minimize that up by just clicking on the button here. Sorry, button above here. So go to design, then do the same for 8. Just copy the first one and then paste it here, but remember to change the variable name to here 2. So do the rest. I'm gonna skip the video. So I finished pasting, roasting. So here if I run the program, I can write all the number in here. I think 0.0. So if I press this, it should click this one. So and then this text box should be the calculator always starts from right to left, not left from left to the right. You can also set that and set some action for this C to clear this one. Okay, design, go to design, then click on the text field, click properties, right click and click properties, then go to horizontal alignment, select right, and then also uncheck this editable checkbox, then close. So save it and then right click on the C, then go to events, action performed, write this dot display dot save text empty. So if you're gonna run it, 6, 7, 4, anything we want to write here. It starts from right to left, so we can click by clicking C. So far so good. So let's go to the main thing. Minimize this one. What's happening here? So initialize some variable. So we're gonna need 2 variables. They're gonna be double because it should accept all type of numbers, whether it is integer or double. So double a b can assign string sign for sign. Okay, I'm going to implement some method here. That method should be initialization. Public void initialize, which accepts some string as parameter. That string should be my sign. So we're gonna do some check here. If the sign is not empty, go in here as if this display text is not empty. If this display text is not empty, jump in here. Let's jump in here. So at the first time we initialize sign by empty. So sign is empty. If the sign is empty, we are going to looking for the enter text or enter number that is empty, we can jump into here. For example, if we just click plus, let me run this thing, run it. It always starts from here. We can change this. Just go to design, go to navigation. If navigation is not available here, go to window, then here navigation, click navigation, then go to JFrame, right click on it, click properties, then go to code, then generate center, click, check this box, then go to properties, on title, and just set as calculator, change this title to calculator. So whenever we're gonna run, we're gonna find it in the center. Yeah, the center of screen. So here is the thing. When I press this thing, it's gonna just write the 8 into this display. So when I go I press plus sign, it should do something. It should initialize 8 the variable to 8. It should declare 8 to some variable, right? So when I press add, when I press add means double click on add, then add some code. Just code initialize by sign add, code initialize method we have created here. So my sign is add, sign is currently empty, so it will go in here. Since we have typed the number, we're gonna declare control by pressing control, just click on initialization, and then I'm going to do initialization. So since our sign is empty, the statement is jump to its if here. So our text display have some number, for example, then add some number. So press plus sign, it will be found in here. Why always back to here? It will be by, oh gosh, when I just press tab, it will go to there. Okay, here we're gonna initialize some variable a equal to double dot first double this dot display dot get text. So a variable should be initialized. So this display dot set text empty after initialization. So sign could be my sign. So we're gonna need another method here. Let me add some method here. I promise you I will not add any other method other than this. We will finish that in here. Let me call this method card, and which accept string sign, accept the sign or some string. So if my sign is equal to add, go here, bb equal to double dot first double this dot display dot get text. So this dot display dot set text, what a plus bb. So the display should be just like this. After that, a equal to bb equal to back to 0, sign is back to empty. So we should add some action for equal. So double click on equal, just call equal by passing calc by passing parameter sign. Okay, control click. So here it's okay. So let me explain this. Let me rerun this one again. Here, when I click 9, it adds 9 to the display. Then when I click plus sign, it will come the plus sign. It will call the initialize method with parameter add. When we came to initialize this method, the sign is empty currently the first time. Then it jumps to this method. This statement here. This statement checks whether the displays we write to display or not. So we wrote 9 to the display. So it initialize A as 9 by getting the number from the display. Then sets displays to empty. The display is currently empty, and then assign the sign to my sign. So after doing this, when we add again some number, sign is already assigned, so this should not be empty. So we can add something here. Calc my sign. Format this, calc my sign. Then it is going to calculate your number here. So let me rerun this and then show you how it works. So we press 3 to write 3 in the text box. We press add. Since the sign is at the first time it is empty, it is going to, or when we press add, it is going to call initialize method by passing the parameter add. Then my sign is add. Here sign is current at the first time we declare sign as empty, so it jumps to this statement. When it jumps to this statement, the 9 is already written in the text box, so it executes. Since it is not empty, it execute this thing out here. A should be the number on the text field. So the number is 9, A is 9. So we're gonna set display to empty. It sets display to empty. Then sign is plus or addition. We add the add sign to this. So we're gonna have add sign. So after pressing add, we just press another number. We set the number into 5. This time when we click equal sign, since A is already declared, we need declare BB. So when add this came in here, when we just click equal sign, the sign is passed to the calc method. So in here, sign is equal to add. Since we have already declared AA previously, we declare BB from the text field here. The number we entered earlier. So then when we initialize this to be BB gonna be 5, then 9 plus 5 gonna be what? 9 plus 5 is 14, right? So when we press equal, then sorry, what is wrong with this? Let me clear. Let me rerun it. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Yeah, that is nice. It works. So why we don't copy this and this, then put it and paste it, and then change this to subtraction, then change this to subtraction, copy this, then paste it in here, paste it again, then change this to division, and then change this one to division, change this to multiplication, and then change the sign to matrix. So here go to design, go to minus, initialize with subtraction, initialize with what is this thing, multiplication. So here multiplication, initialize with division, initialize with division. So division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition here should be the same as the one we just implement here. So when we click clear, they should clear everything, including the sign to initialize sign back to entity, and then bb to there. So I think we're done. Let me run it. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10, minus 4 equal to 6, times 2 equal to 10, divided by 4 equal to 3. Wow, that is nice. Plus 1 equal to 4. That's a nice one. What if we clear it? Based on 8 minus 4 equal to 4, plus 5 equal to 9. Wow, that is nice. So we simply develop the calculator with just two simple methods here. This is very optimized code. So I hope you will understand each and every thing. So please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next tutorial.